Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube, Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Got a beautiful truck for you here today. We just traded it in. It's a 2021 Kenworth W990, 290 wheelbase, 565, 2050 torque with an 18 speed and 410 gears. Very well taken care of. Previous owner just took great care of this. Appreciate it, Brian. Kind of a cream color and a metallic brown. Obviously, if you don't like those colors, it can be easily changed. You just paint the brown. The window chops can come right off, so it'd be very little paint, just pretty much on the hood and the lower, well, maybe not even the lower cab. Those look like panels there, but good looking truck. Toe pin up front. I'm not going to get super detailed on this. This is for sale for $125,000. Take a look here. $517,839 miles. So call it 520. 520 on the miles. Full gauges, full lockers, pretty much full everything. This truck is a very nice truck. Nice sleeper, brand new mattress, and just a good looking unit all the way around. Smart wheel. I think they call this their VIT interior. A hard loaded truck. It still smells new in here. Tons of room. Place for a flat screen TV over there. Leather seats. Your block heater, and then this is your pressure for your pusher axle. Not going to make this a really long video. 23,000 non-steerable pusher. Already got the double hump fenders. It's got a receiver hitch, D-rings. It's got the lowboy ramps. 70,000 pound fifth wheel. New way suspension. That's a big one for you heavy haul guys. 11R 24.5s on the rear, 11R 24.5 on the pusher. They packed on as much fuel as you could possibly pack on. And I'm not going to go under the hood on this one. If you want a more detailed video, just call me. Just let me know. But there you have it. 520,000 mile, 2021 Kenworth W990. Got some of you guys watch this from down under in Australia. You guys got Kenworths down there. Give me a call. We'll ship this one to Australia. So I got a voicemail from I think a guy's name was Jamie. Jamie, if you ever get a chance again to give me a holler, please do. I've tried to call back, but it doesn't go through. He called and said he appreciated the videos because they don't have Peterbilts in Australia. So appreciated the call. This is one you could take down there. Of course, I guess you can import a Peterbilt as well. So take care, guys. Nice heavy haul. Let me know, 970-691-3877 or couchk, couchk @rushenterprises.com. Thank you.